Hi kitty cats, I'm about to show you how I make stuffing casserole in the crock pot. And the first thing I do is I take a can of Korean mushroom soup, 10.5 ounces here, and I put that in the bottom. And then I'm going to add a cup of milk and a cup of water. So I add a cup of milk and a cup of water. You could add 2 cups of milk if you wanted to make it richer. That's okay. If you want, you can add some herbs in here. If you have any fresh herbs that you would like in it. I'm just making it very basic today. I'm adding 2 containers of chicken stuffing. If you want to, you can use a pork stuffing or turkey stuffing. All depends on what you want to eat this with or what you like. At this point, we're going to add some veggies. I'm just going to add some peas. You could add like some frozen peas, about a cup. You could add, say, frozen peas and carrots. You know how they come together? That's really good too. And if you wanted to add some onions, you could right now, like 1 onion chopped up. That's good too. Peas like lump together like this, that's okay. They'll sort of just melt into the stuffing and it'll be fine. And that's pretty much it. Another thing that you can do is, well, of course we gotta turn it on everything too. Another thing that you can do is after you put in your veggies, you can place some chicken breasts on top, or pork chops, or turkey cutlets, or you could even take some shredded chicken or turkey and put in whatever you would like. Or you can eat it like this. I'm actually making something else for a main dish, and this is going to be a side dish, but you can also make it part of the main dish because it is kind of like a casserole in the crock pot. So on goes the lid. Then we're turning it on to right there. Temp is high, 4 hours, and it's perfect. So this is how it comes out. Looks super yum. And then you just pair it with whatever else you're eating. Or you want to, you could eat a bowl of this. I mean, I don't care what you eat for dinner. But I'm pairing it with some beet chips. And we've got a chop. So we're all good. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please remember to share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. All that stuff. And, you know, it really helps me out. And please remember to always be kind, no matter what they're feeding you for dinner.